Hi guys, so I got a doll and I'm looking at the clothes right now. They're so cute. Oh, and it comes with the pacifier, and a swimsuit, a ducky, this and this and this. I'll show you how much stuff it comes with. Like all of this right here came in that bag, even a little lotion. Now I'm gonna pull out the doll. So excited.
Crazy question. If we're going bird watching, why are we staying inside? Because they have the
and it came with a adoption paper. Not gonna show you my address. She's so heavy, and she's in this perfectly wrapped blanket, and this blanket is so soft. Oh, so cute. I'm ready to open her. I'm ready to open her. We're gonna see how she looks. I'm not gonna do her face yet, not yet, but I wonder what it looks like. First, I'm gonna check out her little feet. Look at her feet, guys. I don't want to hurt her, so look at her feet. So cute, and her little legs. She has huge legs. They're heavy. Yeah, this one. Oh, this leg. Oh gosh, she has on a diaper. That's so cute. Let's see her hands. Oops, I might have to unwrap her head to see her hands. Do I? No, I don't. Oh, her hand. And her little arms. So cute. Let's try this one. Alright. Oh, so cute. So cute. Now, are you guys ready for the final reveal? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Guys, look at her. Oh. Then she has hearts on the side of her face. On this one too, I think. It's so cute. Guys, I'm so excited. This is like very whelming. So I love this. She's so cute. Guys, I'm gonna do, and guys, you know, this is just so cute. And guys, I did have another doll. Her name was Gabriella. And her name is Isabella. It's sitting on the adoption paper. Isabella.
So, what do you need? Today is the 5th anniversary of whenever I first met.
Yeah, her name is gonna be, no, her name can be Rose. And her name would be Rosie, but we're gonna call her Rose. That's so cute. Gabriella basically broke. But I'll show you guys. But I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And